Onto Edo State gubernatorial elections where the waka come so, PDP don ready for their campaign flag off. Chairman for PDP Campaign Council for Edo State governorship election, Dan Obi, don salute Governor Godwin Obaseki for the ogbonge work wey he don do on top the bed for Edo State. Dan Obi do this one after the check wey dem go do for Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium, wey be the venue of PDP campaign flag off by PDP leadership. The lawn tennis court wey dey inside Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium don ready gidigba for tomorrow campaign flag off wey go shele onto the governorship election wey go so shele for Edo State. Dem do this ogbonge check to make sure say the venue dey arranged, make it for follow for COVID-19 protocols and guidelines. Governor Godwin Obaseki do this ogbonge waka with Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Philip Shaibu, Director General for the campaign organization Osarodion Ogi Esquire, and other ogbonge members of PDP.
Everything is in place for tomorrow's flag off of the campaign of the re-election of Governor Godwin Obaseki. But what is important is that visiting here, you will agree with me that about 4 years ago, an event of this nature would never have been able to take place. But with what the governor has done, the whole world will see for themselves where we are holding this event, which is actually a takeoff point for the campaign that will bring about his re-election. This itself is evidence of the good work the governor has done. Well, it is clear that from the beginning, the governor has been in the forefront for people to know that COVID-19 is real. And from this arrangement, you can see clearly that we are not using the main stadium because we want to reduce the number of people that can come in here, because we are very conscious about the health of our people. The governor is a caring governor who is very concerned about the safety of Edo people, and that is why he has come here to personally see for himself the arrangement, which you will agree is also in compliance with the COVID-19 regulations.
Now here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today. On top say PDP don ready for their campaign flag off wey go shele tomorrow. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una. And my name na Edo Gogo Edoleyi.